Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the January 2022 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Peace, Love, Teach. It's a super fun, retro kind of 70s theme. When you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate and where it came from. It also has a QR code that will take you to your digital downloads for the month, which I'll show you more of those at the end. Next, we have this month's art print. This is a collaboration with artist It's Banana Crush on Instagram. Also our first ever square print, which I'm kind of excited about. It says, taking time to recharge is productive. Just think, especially with the new year when we're all, setting goals and thinking about being productive, we have to remember that resting is also productive and needed. Next, we have this month's wearable item. I have not done socks in a long time, and I get a lot of requests for them. These are Teacher Care Crate exclusive, and they have these fun retro flowers on them, and then they actually say teach on them as well. Next, we have this lip balm. This is from KTB Lip Balm, teacher-owned small business. The flavor is cutie, so it's like a clementine fresh citrusy scent, and she made these super cute custom labels for us that actually say peace, love, teach on them as well. Next, we have a sticker. This is another collaboration I'm excited about with Allie Blair on Instagram, and it says every day is a fresh start. Great reminder for you or your students to put on your laptop, water bottle, wherever you like. Next, we have this month's treat. This is Tiger Spice Chai from David Rio. We featured a different flavor chai from them about a year ago, and you guys loved it, so excited to feature a chai from them again. Perfect for winter if you want to make it hot, but you can also make it iced as well. Next, we have this little guy. Now, it is not a deodorant. I feel like I'm going to have to say that a lot of times. It is an all-natural body balm, grapefruit scented from Duckish. So what this is it's basically a super concentrated lotion. So like environmentally, it's actually better to have this concentrated versus, like a whole big tube of it, which has water added in. So I believe this is 5 times more concentrated. So you can just apply it directly to your skin, great for winter. And then also I know with hand sanitizer, hands can get super cracked and dry. Next, we have this magnetic pen holder. And you could also use this like on your whiteboard for dry erase markers, or I'll probably use it on my fridge at home. Like if you have a to-do list, like a notepad on your fridge or something, this is great to keep next to it, to keep your pens in. And I was a little nervous. I was like, oh, I hope this magnet is strong. It is super strong, so you shouldn't have a problem with that staying up. Then we have this custom sign hand painted by Cabin 20 Creations, and it says peace, love, teach. And this is on wood, and then it also comes with this little easel for you to display it. Of course, you can display it however you want, but it comes with this, so you don't have to worry about hanging it or anything. And the great thing about the little easel too is you can use that for any of your Teacher Care Crate artwork or anything else you want to display. So that's all the physical items coming in this month's crate. And then like I mentioned, you'll also receive a link to a folder of digital downloads. And those always include desktop wallpapers for the month of January, and just to kind of go with this month's theme. Then this month, we've also included some goal setting worksheets. So I have regular goal setting just for 2022. Then I have some self-care goals here divided by category, different types of self-care, as well as definitions of those different types of self-care. And then I've included some example goals as well. And I've also included a more student-facing activity to hopefully help you out as you are going back to school in 2022. So there's a 2022 coloring sheet, and it's differentiated. So if you want to just do the coloring, there's this one. There's also ones with different style lines that ask for like a one word for 2022, and some that ask them to explain why they chose that word. I filled out a little example here with my word for 2022. So like I said, you get access to that via email, and then also the QR code on the month's info card. So you've got your digital downloads, your hand-painted wooden sign and easel to display it, little magnetic pen holder. I've been putting this in here because it fits really nicely. Your concentrated all-natural body balm from Duckish, Tiger Spice Chai, Every day is a fresh start, laptop sticker, cutie lip balm, Teach socks. These are so fun. Your art print, and of course, just your info card. So that's everything that comes in the January 2022 Teacher Care Crate. If you are not already subscribed, you can head to teachercarecrate.com to subscribe by January 14th to get this month's crate. Thanks for watching.